Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So this is a revamped video of the last video we have created, and as an unexpected surprise, my PC heated up and the recording was very laggy. So you can also go that see that short or a small message video I have. You can also go and check in my channel. So on that day it was planned to upload, I think it was in November 13th. So after that, now only I got time to record. So sorry for the delay videos guys, but yeah, we'll start doing. Sorry. So now here you can also open your Google Chrome or any web browser. So I'll just explain you what we are gonna do. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we are going to go to my GitHub page. Okay, download the source file. Okay, we are going to head over to a magical website which makes the cloud as a web hoster. So drv.tw. okay, it's not a sponsored video. And now using that we are gonna upload the source file into Google Drive. Okay, and give the permission to drv.tw to access it and make it as a website. So let's get started. And before guys, you can just create a separate email account for your own website where you can also gonna publish online guys. So Google Drive will give 15 GB of free space to do it. Okay, so yeah guys, so let's I'm heading over to Google Chrome. Okay, so I have my drive ready and I have my GitHub page ready. So this GitHub page I have made. Okay, I'll give the link in down description. Okay, you head over. So for this video I have created a basic website. This is the source code. Okay, and you can also download this and edit this also guys. So I will give the permission to edit it. Okay, you can also edit this GitHub repository. So now I will download it. Okay guys, I will download it as zip. Okay, now I'll open it. I'll just drag it over here guys. Okay, so now I'll just right click it. Okay, and I will extract to this. Okay, so here I can see the source code. Okay, so now I will close it and I'll go to my Google Chrome and go to my drive. Okay, so that's what I say guys, you just create a particular Gmail ID for your website. So now I'll click on new folder, or you can also drag and drop. So in my case I think that we can drag and drop guys. So I'll just drag it and drop it. Okay, I will rename it as how to host website in cloud. So today guys I'm using my left hand to type because I'm holding my mic in my right hand. So today the stand I typed wrongly. Okay, cloud. Okay, so today I have typed wrong. I have a like slow typing issue today because I'm just holding my mic in my right hand due to some problems with the mic stand. So yeah. Okay, so I have my source code. Oh my god. Okay, so leave it. So I'll just cut this. Okay, cut it. Okay, and I will paste it. Allow. Okay, so I'll delete this. Okay, so I have my source code over here, and I will go over to share, and over here you should not select any other people. Here we have a thing called general access. Click on restricted and click anyone with the link. Okay, and okay, so you can keep it as viewer, or to be honest I can say you can keep it as editor. Okay, so I'll click on done. So now we are gonna head to a website called drv.tw. Okay, over here drive to web. So we have Google Drive and OneDrive. So you can also do with the Microsoft OneDrive, or you can also do with Google Drive. So I suggest Google Drive because Google Drive gives 15 GB of space where you can put all your website source files into Google Drive and you can host it. So host on Google Drive because OneDrive gives just 5 GB of storage. So I'll just hide this, guys, because yeah, make sure so you just read it always. Okay, so I will just say whether it's safe or not. It is safe to use this, guys. So what it says, like, this will allow drive to web because like a drv.tw to see, edit, create and delete all of your Google Drive files. Okay, so here the down part it says make sure you trust drive to web. You may be sharing sensitive info with the site or app. You can always see or remove access in your Google account. So guys, if you don't want to access this drv.tw in your drive, okay, you can obviously go to Google account and remove the access. So now I'm gonna click allow. Okay, so in case you are trying to remove, like in case of trying to remove it, you can obviously remove the access. Okay, so over here we got 3 pages. Okay, 3 links. Okay guys, 3 links. The first is with the folder name. The second is about.html and contact.html. So these two links are from the source code. If I go to source code, you can see this contact.html and about.html. So you can see this contact.html and about.html. So these 2 links are not important for us. The first link is the important. So if I open, I can obviously see my website online. My website is online now. Like if I go to about, like there's a link given here about.html, it will redirect to there. Okay, so contact, same. So contact us on Gmail or at Tech Channel. I forgot to change to at CWS computer. Okay, so yeah guys, so I have to check whether this video came good because I have to upload this soon, guys. So please apology for my delay video. This should be uploaded on November 13th, but today's date is Thursday, November 2023. So that's all, guys. This is a small video, or not a small video, like 9 minutes of video. So have a nice day, guys. And guys, you remember, when we get 120 subscribers, I will for sure rebuild my setup. So see you in the next one. Until then, bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.